Guys, nandito kami sa Diplomat Hotel, the famous haunted hotel. Ito po siya. So, due to ang tawag dito na safety measure, hindi pwedeng pumasok kasi may mga falling debris. So, yan. Nandito lang kami sa labas. Ano?
Hey guys, so dito tayo sa Diplomat. It was scary, but not Where's Diplomat?
So you can walk around this whole hotel. It was built 1915 and sa history nga daw. Anong history to na to? So hotel talaga siya before.
Like mga retreat, pwedeng retreat house.
It was 1915 pero nung dumating yung mga Japanese,
Yeah.
yan.
Nila,
minaltrato nila.
Pinatay nila.
Minaltrato nila, tsaka rape sila.
Karumal-dumal ay like,
Yung mga
not giving.
stuff dito sa hotel. So that's why they called it haunted. And then, ito po yung Guinness Book of Records. Kasama siya yung Ten Commandments. Ten Commandments Museum. It's a prayer sanctuary. Nasa Guinness Book of Records po siya. The largest, the giant Ten Commandments tablet. Yeah.
United States of America.
Yeah, there's some foreigners here, tourists.
They will prosper that we have.
Hello.